Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to get sales on Shopify. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. To give you the best chance to generate sales on Shopify, I have collected some of the most effective techniques below. Don't worry, you don't need a marketing degree, just a desire to change your store for the better. Convert traffic with pop-ups. E-commerce stores should not just let visitors look around and leave. Potential customers are valuable. Where pop-ups comes in, they offer incentives that make buying easier. Think of them like the sales people in your store. Pop-ups can convert up to 16% of visitors for a Shopify store with 500 monthly visitors. It means getting 80 emails and potential customers. That's why many e-commerce retailers use pop-ups. Besides bonus, you can also increase your Shopify sales with pop-ups by offering free shipping, loyalty points, and other incentives. Free shipping in particular is strong one. As mentioned, 50% of customers will consider buying gift presents with the bonus. But if you prefer to learn by doing, use your Wise pop-up builder to try it out. You don't need design or developer skills. If that sounds good, start a free trial and begin growing your store 100% free, no credit card needed. Build an email marketing strategy. An email marketing strategy does not have to be complicated, but it is important. Email strategies get leads and sales for 77% of business. So if you want to generate sales on Shopify, it helps to have one. Ask friends and family to share with social networks. Have you told your friends and colleagues about your business? If not, then you should. The couple later said they made a few sales once they published on social media, and there's plenty of evidence suggesting that posting on social media will help you grow. Add trust signals. A trust signals is a badge, logo, or seal containing proof that a website is trustworthy. Must-have signals include the following. Adding trust signals to your store is a big step towards making Shopify sales. They give customers a sense of security and confidence to buy from you. Reach out to blogger. Bloggers are one of the look out for good product. They can help you to get sales on Shopify and Explore by reviewing or mentioning your product in content. They often don't need huge rewards the way influencers do. Many Shopify stores are making sales this way. Sox4 is one of them. Shopify even featured them as a success story. Sox4 founder said this blogger as a way to get Shopify sales. Run a paid ads campaign. Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads are some of the quickest way to get sales on Shopify. Even one campaign can bring a few hundred visitors to your store in 24 hours. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest video. So take care, goodbye.